Hi, I'm Kaylee Peden, and I'm an Educational Development Coordinator here at Wiser. In this video, I'm going to talk about how we use Microsoft's Power Platform to help manage our mannequins' preventative maintenance. We have about 67 mannequins dispersed over 14 different locations. To ensure our mannequins remain in good working condition, we like to give preventative maintenance on each of them twice a year. Keeping track of all of that can be quite a chore. In the past, we had paper records and kept these in filing cabinets. Obviously, this was less than ideal. We now use several tools in Microsoft's Power Platform to help us automate some of this process. There are 4 applications that we use for this: Microsoft Forms, SharePoint Lists, Power Automate, and Microsoft Planner. We've built a Microsoft form that we use as both a checklist and log for use while we are conducting preventative maintenance on a mannequin. As we go through the process, it helps us make sure we check everything we need to. Each checklist is customized to the type of mannequin selected, so we don't miss anything for a particular mannequin. We mark any repairs that were done and any outstanding maintenance that still needs to be completed. All this data from the Microsoft form is then entered into a SharePoint list, which acts as a database of all the preventative maintenance that was done at Wiser. In addition, if other repairs are needed, an automated email is sent to the operations manager so that the appropriate parts can be ordered and repairs scheduled. Power Automate is another application that helps us manage preventative maintenance. At the beginning of every month, a Power Automate flow runs, and if any of the mannequins are due for the 6-month repair, it creates a task for that mannequin in our Microsoft Planner board. These tasks are assigned to simulation specialists based on who is scheduled to go to each site next. They then do the maintenance, complete the log form, and the process starts all over again. At Wiser, we've been able to utilize Microsoft's Power Platform to help us with mannequin maintenance. Hopefully this video has given you some ideas on how it may help your program automate some of the tasks you need to do. We've given some links to some good resources that might help you with this. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to email us at wiserhelp@upmc.edu. Thanks for watching.